Good morning, everyone. Today we want to discuss whatever you have studied, and although I know your teacher have teach you so many other chapters rather than chapter number first, and I think chapter number first and second your teacher have not teach any topic. So I am starting your chapter from sets. Before starting the chapter, I would like to tell you what is sets. Everyone know about sets. Means in your home, in kitchen, there is so many types of pots are there, like glass, plate, and so many other things are there. Means we people are putting all these items in a set wise, like the set of the glass, set of spoon, set of plates, and other things also. But we never do these things. And suppose we are putting and we are arranging the pots in our kitchen. Like first of all, and we are putting one plate, and after that one glass, and after that one cup, and other items. No, we are arranging these pots like first in a row. We are putting all glass, means glass is there, and plates means plate will be there, and other items. Suppose spoons, and we are putting all these lines in spoon. Means this is a simple and beautiful arrangement, and this is set, well defined. And the arrangement of number, elements, goods, or any type of things can be arranged in a systematic manner. Systematic manner is known as sets. Means in other definition as per your books, in your books it is written, the well defined collection of a number is known as sets. Well defined collection of number. And what is well defined collection? Now see, before starting this chapter, first of all we have to go through the topic like sets, and first of all we have to understand what is sets. Sets means well defined collection. Well defined collection means and how we can define any numbers. And suppose we are putting a question in front of you. Tell me the set of the good cricketers of India. Good cricketers of India, and in our Indian cricketers, when the cricketers have been starting our country, this is from 19th century, and so many good cricketers have came in our India, like one time Harbhajan Singh, and one time Sachin Tendulkar, and one time Kapil Dev, and any time Ravi Shastri, and one lefty is there, Kapil Dev, and so many other. But this is not a perfect, well-defined collection of cricketers. How? Because we are not arranged these cricketers. One cricketer is in the century of the 18th, 19th century, 70, 80, and other, the good cricketers, 84 onwards, the Kapil Dev, and Virendra Sehwag, Sachin Tendulkar, and other times. And this is not a well-defined collection of the cricketers. And what is well-defined cricketers? Good cricketers, well-defined cricketers, and we will arrange these one things. And suppose I will put a question in front of you. Arrange a well-defined collection of the good cricketers from 1990 to 2000, and easily, very easily, you can prepare a set. And who had started to play cricket for India from 1990 to 2000. Directly you can arrange. This is known as well-defined collection. Suppose I will put one more question. Make a set. Intelligent peoples of India. Intelligent peoples of India. It is not a set. Why? Because intelligent peoples of India, it may be in which field we have not defined. In which field? Either in the field of mathematics, or in the field of physics, or in the field of the education, or in the field of the scientist, doctorate, and other field. But we are not keeping a particular point. Well-defined collection. This is not a well-defined collection. Intelligent people may be in the field of politics also. And suppose I will put a question in front of you. Prepare a set of intelligent peoples in the field of mathematics from 2010 to 2020. 2010 to 2020, and directly you can write. And who have discovered so many things in the field of mathematics, in 2010 to 2020 you can prepare a set, and this is known as well-defined collection of sets. And before starting these things, I would like to tell you and what is sets. Sets means well-defined collection of numbers, well-defined collection of everything, anything. And set is always denoted by the capital letter A. Now see, I have written well-defined collection or sets is always denoted by the capital letter either A, B, C, X, Y, Z, P, Q, R, and anywhere. And suppose I am putting a question in front of you that prepare a set of vowels of English alphabet. Vowels of English alphabet means you have to write the vowels. And how many vowels in the English alphabet? There are 5 vowels in the English alphabet: A, E, I, O, U. Then you have to write like this way: A, comma, E, I, O, and U. Then close it by the curly bracket. Means collect all these elements. Collect all these elements A, E, I, O, U, and separate all these elements by the comma and enclose within the curly bracket, and this is known as sets. Means this is well defined. Well defined. And suppose I am writing one more sets. A set of even numbers from 1 to 10. A set of even numbers means what are the even numbers from 1 to 10? That is 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. See how you will write 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Means this is the set of the even numbers from 1 to 10. 1 to 10 means 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Like the same way, and suppose any other sets. A set of the odd number. A set of odd number from 1 to 10. What are the odd numbers? 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. These are the odd numbers from 1 to 10. Now see how we can represent some sets. And before representation, I would like to tell you the how many types of these sets. There are 2 types of sets. Mainly 2 types of sets. Number 1 is finite set. And number 2 is infinite sets. Now see, what is finite set? Finite set means a set having the fixed number of elements is known as finite set. In a set having the fixed number of elements like 1, 2, 3 and so on up to 100 or up to 1000 or up to 5000 means fixed number of elements. A set having finite sets. A set having the fixed number of elements A 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 100. This is the fixed number of elements is known as finite set. And other infinite set, a set having the infinity numbers of elements like 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on up to infinity. And this type of set is known as infinite set. Means mainly there are 2 types of set. Number 1 is finite set, other is infinite set. Finite set means a set having the number of elements, fixed number of elements. Suppose, and these numbers of elements is starting from 1 to 100 or 1 to 500, 1 to 50 as you wish. And second set, infinite number of elements, a set having the infinity number of elements like 1 to infinity. And we have to write these things 1, 2, 3 and so on up to infinity. And this is known as infinite set. Now we will come next the representation of the sets. Now see representation, this is really very important part. Representation of the sets. After that we will start the representation of the sets. The representation of the sets means how many types we can represent the sets. There are 2 types. Number 1, roster method, or roster method is also denoted by tabular method. And number 2, set builder form or property method or rule method. Okay, all these things means the roster method and tabular method both are same. And set builder form, property method and rule method, and these are also same. Now see how we can represent any sets by the roster method. Number C, roster method. A question will ask you, prepare a set prepare a set of the even number from 1 to 10 by roster method. In this set means in this method, we have to collect all these numbers as per the question. Suppose question is asking prepare a set of the even number from 1 to 10, and first of all we have to collect the numbers. And what are the numbers from 1 to 10 are the even numbers. That is, collect all the numbers. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Collect all these numbers. Separate these numbers by the comma. Now see, separate these numbers by the comma and enclose the numbers by the curly bracket. Enclose the numbers by the curly bracket and denoted by any set. And I have written this set now. A equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. And this is the method of a roster method, by which we have represented these sets in the roster form. See, question will ask you, what type of question will ask? Means, prepare a set of the even number from 1 to 10. Even number, and first of all we will collect all these numbers, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Separate these numbers by the comma and enclose with the curly bracket and denoted by any capital letter A. And this is known as roster form. The same question have been given to you, and represent the numbers, even numbers from 1 to 10 by set builder form. Same question, set builder form. Set builder form. First of all, we have to write these things. A is equal to in curly bracket, and this is the rule. And this set builder form is also known as property method or rule method. And we have to write here in a mathematical way. And how we can write these things in mathematical way? Set A is equal to curly bracket will start. Let us suppose x is any elements, and we will write these things x such that x is equal to 2n. X such that x equal to 2n. 2n means if any number is multiplied by 2, and the number will always becomes even number. So I have written x equal to 2n, where n is greater than equal to 1 and less than equal to 5, and then curly bracket will close. And here now see, if n is greater than equal to 1, less than equal to 5, if n equal to 1, put here x equal to 2 1 is 2. Put here n equal to 2, 2 2 is 4, n equal to 3, 2 3 is 6, n equal to 4, 2 4 is 8, n equal to 5, 2 5 is 10. Means this method, set builder form, can be written by in mathematical way. I have written x equal to 2n, where n is greater than equal to 1 but less than equal to 2. Or it can be written also the same method, and this is same. A is equal to x such that x are the even number from 1 to 10. This is simply x such that x are even number from 1 to 10. Simply we can write these things also, curly bracket close. I have written this thing. The same question can be solved by two methods. One by the roster form, other by the set builder form. In set builder form, we have to represent this question in mathematical way. Here x says that x equal to 2n, where n equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and put n equal to 1, 2 1 are 2, n equal to 2, 2 2 are 4. Like the same way, n equal to 5, and x will come 10. And this is the method of representation of any set by the set builder form. Okay, in sets, and a few definitions is to be learned. But in mathematics, we can't say these things, you have to learn. I will say these things. Keep in mind, here in our sets, Z is denoted the set of the integer, written here. N equal to set of the natural number, Q equal to set of the rational number, and R equal to set of the real number. Z positive is positive integer, set of positive integer. Q means set of positive and rational number, and R positive is set of a real number, set of real number. So one more thing now see. Now how we can represent another type of set. Suppose a word have been written, Allahabad, A-L-L-A-H-A-B-A-D. Allahabad is the word. This is the city of our India, and also this name have been changed now. by the Yogi government. Its name is Prayagraj now. Allahabad is now is Prayagraj. Now see, and how we can write this word Allahabad in set. First of all, we have to write any capital letter. Suppose I am writing here X. And now prepare a set of the word Allahabad. Prepare a set of the word Allahabad. Now first of all, we will write a number A, letter A. And A is again repeating so many times, but we will not repeat in the set. Inside of the set, a number will never repeat it. Number will never repeat it. Allahabad, A, 4 times A, but we will write only 1 time. Then comma will come. Now see A. All finished. Then L will come. L cancelled. Then H will come. H cancelled. Then B will come. B cancelled. Then D will come. Means this word ALHDD can form a word Allahabad. Means this is the simple set of the word Allahabad. ALL, AH, AB, AD. Means Allahabad word can form from the set ALHDD. Means this is the set of the word Allahabad. Isn't it? Any problem? No. Now come to the next. So suppose a set is A. I am writing here E Q U T I O only. Unnecessary I have written. Randomly I have selected some numbers. A is the set of the few numbers. E Q U T I O. Randomly I have selected. So I am writing here A is belonging to A. A is belonging to A, or A is the set of A, because these elements, means whatever the elements I have written inside the curly bracket, these are known as the elements, and whatever I have written in front of this one capital letter, this is the set. This is the set, and these numbers are known as elements. If the elements are the set of A, then you will write A is the belonging to A, or A is the set of A, but A is not here. Now see, E Q U T I O, but here we don't have A, so we will write these things. A is not a set of A. A is not a set of A. And Q or E, I have written E equal to E is a set of A. E is belonging to A. E is belonging to A. Means E is the set of A. Now see, like the same way, Q is belonging to A. Q is belonging to easily, and this is really Q is the element of A. Q is the element of A. It means Q is the set of A. Like the same way, I have written here T is the set of A, or this is known as, we can write this thing here. T is belonging to A, or T is the set of A. Yes, both are exactly right. But right, I am writing one more thing. B is belonging to A. This is right or wrong? This is exactly wrong. Why? Because we don't have any element B inside of the set A. So B is not a set of A. B does not belong to A. B does not belong to A. And the set can also be represented by this method. Now see, now come in your exercise, and before the exercise, and some questions are there. And before starting your exercise, I would like to start some example questions. Suppose I am asking, writing one more question. One question is there. Suppose question number 1. Prepare a set. Next question. I have written here, represent the set by the set order form. And I have written the question A equal to 1, 4, 9, 25, 36, and 49. And I think the some of the students know, and whatever I have written, the numbers 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, and next number will come. Intelligent student can give the proper answer, and 64 will come. Why 64? Because I have written the square of the natural number or integer. 1 1 is 1, 2 2 is 4, 3 3 is 9, 4 4 is 16, 5 5 is 25, and 6 6 is 36, 7 7 is 49. I have written. It means you know. Now see, every numbers I have written. And after that, next number will come 8, 8 square 64 will come, but I am not writing this thing. And till here only, the represent is set by this set vector form means we have to use solution. A is the set where x such that x is equal to, what is x is equal to? Set of the square of the numbers. Square of the number means n square I am writing, where n is belonging to, and this number is known as belonging to natural number. Now see, n means natural numbers, and this capital number n is denoted by a natural number, and this sign, now see, this sign is known as belonging to. I am writing here, now see, belonging to. This is known as belonging to, but some of the students are reading this number, this notation E. This is really not E. This is known as belonging to, isn't it? Any problem we can ask, but this is one of the questions. I have written these things. X such that x equal to n square, where n is belonging to n. Now if you will put here n equal to 1, 1 1 is 1. N equal to 2, 2 2 is 4. N equal to 3, 3 3 is 9. N equal to 4, 4 4 is 16. Oh, I forgot to write here 116 word is not there. Due to by mistake, I have not mentioned here 16. 16 will come in between them. Now see, 16 will come, then 25, 36 and 49. Due to mistake, I have not mentioned this one number, but I have mentioned now that this question is correct. X equal to n square, where n equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, till 7 you can write and you will get your answer. Like the same way, question number 2, and these are the examples of an NCERT book. You will go through your book and you can check. Now see, A equal to 1 upon 2, comma 1 upon 4, comma 1 upon 8, comma 1 upon 16, comma 1 upon 32, comma 1 upon 64. Now see, again represent set by using set vector form, and we can write these things. Now see, and we will write here solution, then start. A is equal to 1 upon 2 to the power of, 2 to the power of, we can mention n, 1 2 3, and I am writing here. Now see, so 2 to the power n we can mention or not? You can check these things. If we are n equal to, no need to mention these things. Wait. Now see, 1 upon 2, 1 upon 4, 1 upon 8, 1 upon 16, 1 upon 30, 1 upon 64. Then I have written here A equal to x such that, and these 2 points in other mathematics till class 10th you have studied these 2 points like ratio, but in sets we will use this word x such that x is equal to 1 upon 2 to the power of n, and where n is greater than equal to 1 but less than equal to 6. If you will put here n equal to 1, 2 will come. If n equal to 2, 2 2s are 4, n equal to 3, 2 to the power 3 equal to 8 will come, 2 to the power 4, next 16 will come, 2 to the power 5, 32 will come, 2 to the power 6, 64 will come. Means we can mention this one, set A equal to x such that x equal to 1 upon 2 to the power of n, where n is greater than 1 but less than 6. These are the examples of your question, of your books, and before the exercise 1.1. Now we will start NCERT books question number first, exercise 1.1. Now open your books and go through your books, then you can check. If any queries you can directly ask. I am rubbing this one board, whatever I have written. Now we will go and we will start exercise 1.1. Exercise 1.1. Question number first. Question number first in your NCERT board is written, which of the following are set, and justify your answer. Which is the following sets are really a sets? Number C. Question number 1. I am writing here A. The collection of all months of the year beginning with the word with the letter J. January is starting from J. J for January. January, February, March, April, May, June. June again. July, August, September, October, November and December. No. Only 3 months are here, and which is starting from the letter J. So I have written J equal to Jan, June and July, and this is really a sets. Question number first. Now see question number second. Question number first part is this, and question number first second part. The collection of the 10 most talented writers of India not possible. And already I have mentioned the talented person of India, talented, intelligent person of India not possible, because it is mentioned now. This is not a well-defined collection of the poets, not defined. It is written now. See the collection of 10 most talented writers of India, but it is not mentioned in which field. Writers, Hindi writers, English writers, physics writer, maths writer, poem writer, story writer. Don't know, because this question is not actually not well defined, so this is not sense. And second is not well defined, not well defined. Now come to the question number third part of this question. It is mentioned question number third that team of 11 best cricketers, batsmen of world not possible. Already I told you, because this is not mentioned. The timing is not mentioned, but time to time, every time, the good batsman is formed, and any time, Ravi Shastri was the best player of cricket, and any time Kapil Dev was the best cricketers, any time Sachin Tendulkar is best cricketers, and any time Dhoni, MS Dhoni was really best cricketers of India, and nowadays who is Virat Kohli. Yeah, Virat Kohli is the best cricketers, and anytime may be possible out of you people, anyone will become a best, very good cricketers of India, but we can't define these things in a proper manner. And till today, whatever and who were the best cricketers of India or the best cricketers of world, this is not a well defined collection. And I am also mentioning these things not well defined, so this is not a sense. Then next question. The collection of all boys in your class, yeah, we can collect. Fourth question, collection of boys, we can collect. How many students in a class? Suppose there are 33 students in a class, and 10 are girls and 23 are boys. 23 boys means having the name having starting from the word either from A to Z. We can mention, but I don't know what is the name. So let us suppose in our class, so many students are there. Suppose 33 students, and out of these 33, I am mentioning some of these students. Let us suppose one student whose name is starting from R, and anyone whose name is starting from A, anyone whose name is starting from J. Like the same pattern, anyone whose name is starting from the word Z. So we can mention this is really well defined, because the number of students in our class is fixed. This is finite set. Finite set. Suppose in any class, suppose a very big school is there and having 1,000 students in a class, but it's not possible 1,000 students in a class, because there will be so many sections, 10 sections, 11 sections. We don't know about these things, how the school is arranging. The 10 section will become or 20 section will become. Suppose 100, 60, 40, 50 students are there. It means their name must be starting from the English alphabet A to Z. We can write. So this is sense. Next question is there. The collection of all natural number less than 100. Yeah. The collection of all natural number. Fifth part. The collection of all natural number. Natural number is always starting from 1 onwards till infinity. So we will write these things 1, 2, 3 and so on only up to 99, because it is mentioned less than 900. Less than 100 means till 99 we can mention. And one more question is there. The collection of novel written by Munshi Premchand, and you all have been up to 10th class you have studied Hindi. The Munshi Premchand is one of the best poets in Hindi. So he have written so many novels, but I don't know how many novels he have written. Yeah, now we can write the number of novels which is written by the Munshi Premchand. So collection, this set is possible. The set is possible. We can write the set is possible. The collection of all even integer. all even integer. Now next question, seventh part, and we can write these things is A. A is the set. A is the set of all even integer. Even integer means integer. 0 is even or not? Integer. 0 is integer. Yeah. And 2 is the integer. Yes. Plus minus 2, plus minus 4, plus minus 6, and so on. These are all integer, but it is not mentioned here positive or negative. So integer may be positive or negative both. Until the question is not asking, and you have to write the positive integer or negative integer. Until that time, you will mention both these things, positive and negative, both the integer. So I have written here a equal to 0, plus minus 2, plus minus 4, plus minus 6, and so on up to plus minus infinity. Because integer is starting from minus infinity to plus infinity with 0. So we have mentioned these things. One more question is there. The collection of equation of this chapter. Yeah. The collection of question of this chapter. These are the finite set. The finite number of the questions have been given in your books. So this set is also possible. Next question is there also. The collection of most dangerous animal of the world. So this is one more question is there. Now see the last question of ninth question. It is written. A is the set. Written the collection of most dangerous animal of the forest of the world. Now can you tell me, and who is the most dangerous animal? And some of them will say lion, some of them will say python, some of them will say cobra. So many animals are there, but anytime monkey, really monkey is not a dangerous animal, but suppose he fight with us and kill to us, it means he is very dangerous for us or not? Yeah, he is very dangerous for us. So it is very tough to classify. It is very tough to classify who is the dangerous animal of the world. Anytime monkey will be danger, anytime dog will be danger, anytime cat will be danger. And suppose in our home one cat is there and cat is catch to our neck and we die, means cat is very dangerous for us. So this is very tough to classify, to investigate who is the danger animal. So anytime lion will be danger, anytime cat will be danger, anytime goat will be danger, anytime buffalo will be danger. So we can't investigate who is the dangerous animal of the world. So this is not a sex. Not a sex. I have written here not a sex. Okay.